Oh no! Cows don't eat cookies! I'm down! Hey y'all!
Hey, I need some... Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Guys, this is the ladies' room?
Hey, I need some help over here. This is cool. That's the ticket? Yeah.
Yeah, you look like a fool hanging there. Let me help you up. Don't worry about it.
I need a hand.
Crazy? Ain't gonna happen, man. I hope no. Everybody in the elevator! There's Bert! This is screwed up, y'all. I need some help.
I'm hanging. Shit, this hurts. You did a good. See, you're all right. Hey, I told you. Yeah, nice job. Hey, Dylan, you were that's the This is nice. All right, this is all right. You did a good job. Spinner.
Whatever.